Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how you can adjust page border margins in Microsoft Word. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. Okay, so I have here Microsoft Word already open. Now, to adjust the margins, you can simply go to Page Layout, and here you can click on this small icon below to go to Page Setup. Now in the page setup window, you will have multiple options to adjust your margins. So you can see it here in the preview. And if you are satisfied with your margins, click on OK. Now to adjust the borders, you can click on this icon here that says Page Borders, and it is going to open up this window. Now you can click on options to adjust the border margins here. You can adjust to your preference and click on OK when satisfied. So this is how you can adjust page border margins in Microsoft Word. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.